Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and part of designing this entire new bathroom has been picking out the perfect accessories for my new vanity. And this stone tray from Selegna is exactly what I was looking for.
This is the color brown in their Diatomaceous Earth Stone Sink Tray. So the unique thing about this being diatomaceous earth is that it is super quick drying, but you don't have to use it just for something by your sink. It really works well for so many uses. If you want to use it as a sink caddy, a vanity organizer, even just a tray for your things. But I really love how it just soaks up all of the water, which really makes it perfect for having by the sink, by your vanity, holding your skincare products in, because once it's wet, it's not going to be transferring to your other surfaces. Plus, it is so beautiful.
Picking out this stone tray from Selenga has been the easiest part of this entire bathroom remodel. I am so excited to have this be a part of this new beautiful space, and it is such high quality. I'm so in love with it, and that's my point of view.